Theta genuinely token essentially is a low-position cryptographic money at present evaluated at $0.749685 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $749,685,393. Over the fundamentally past kind of couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Theta token, laid out a really impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and sort of are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, which generally is very huge. A few institutional financial backers even consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, which basically is genuinely huge. Retail financial backers and merchants fundamentally are really keen on digital currencies, certainly, for example, Theta, since this is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources by and large have the especially potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a moderately most certainly brief timeframe, or so they in every practical sense thought. These profits in a real sense are unreachable in really different business sectors, which for the most part is the motivation behind why most kind of moderate financial backers for the most part are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Theta token, while the groundbreaking ones fundamentally commit a huge piece of their in every practical sense money to this quickly creating resource class, which truly is genuinely critical. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members brought the cost of Theta extremely token to the level at $0.749685, where it as of now sits, or so they really thought. As currently referenced, Theta is a low-position cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 54th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the sort of metric that not set in stone, by duplicating the genuinely current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. On account of Theta token, the market capitalization in a real sense remains at $749,685,393. The significance of this boundary will basically be really made sense of later, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Recently, on August 4, Theta sort of was esteemed at $0.758840. At the turn of the two exchanging meetings, most certainly recall that cryptographic forms of money fundamentally are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in an unobtrusive manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period really added up to 2.23%, or so they generally thought. 7 days prior, on July 29, Theta Pretty token essentially was exchanged at $0.793075 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its current situation incredibly. On July 5, which in a real sense was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Theta at $0.734831, the cost level that fundamentally is at the distance of 2.02% from where it right now stands. The cost of Theta and the readings of CVIX are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, which certainly is very critical. Market capitalization in a real sense is another significant genuinely metric that by and large assists traders with, for the most part, deciding the fame of the cryptographic money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, or so they thought. It's additionally used to generally survey the offer that Theta especially token truly holds inside the truly whole digital money market, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization explicitly is fairly straightforward. The flowing stock of the money being referred to is duplicated by its fundamentally current cost, or so they essentially thought. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Theta explicitly remains at $749,685,393, enough to name it the 54th, barely the biggest coin on the digital money market, which generally is very critical. Recently, on August 4, the market capitalization of Theta token in every way that really matters remained at $758,840,260 which especially is genuinely critical. 7 days prior, on July 29, the capitalization of Theta really was $793,074,990 exhibiting that Theta exceptionally token by and large is a low-position cryptographic money at present estimated at $0.749685, that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $749,685,393, which especially is genuinely huge. A month prior, on July 5th, how much especially capital streaming around this by and large specific market most certainly added up to $734,835,119 in an unobtrusive manner. Most cryptographic money financial backers stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a sort of specific digital currency and its capacity to, in every practical sense, endure disturbances which are the very normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market, which generally is very huge. It's kind of obvious that the reasonably previously mentioned market capitalization of Theta most certainly token permits to, in a real sense, characterize it as the little cap digital currency that has a place in the generally safe gathering in an unpretentious way. Since we sort of have proactively referenced the equation for computing the market capitalization, it would for the most part be really fitting to commit a piece of this report to the stockpile of Theta in an unpretentious manner generally. For essentially your data, there for the most part are three sorts of supply for basically every digital money. The by and large greatest stockpile, which sort of means the quantity of coins that would for the most part be created on a specific blockchain all through its presence. The complete stockpile, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered starting from the commencement of the undertaking. The flowing inventory, which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use, in lovely different words, that are overall effectively exchanged on trade stages. The really most extreme stockpile of Theta by and large token truly is 100,000,000,000 Theta. The sort of all-out supply of Theta as of now remains at 100,000,000,000 coins in an unpretentious manner. The flowing stockpile of the digital currency under survey basically is 100,000,000,000 Theta. So market capitalization really is one more significant metric that generally assists brokers generally with deciding the ubiquity of the cryptographic money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities in an unpretentious manner. This Theta extremely token cost expectation wouldn't essentially be truly finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the certainly metric utilized by practically all digital money brokers to truly affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move, which for the most part shows that for sort of your data, there especially are three kinds of supply for basically every digital money. The fundamentally greatest stock, which in a real sense implies the quantity of coins that would be created on a kind of specific blockchain all through its presence. The kind of all-out supply, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered, starting from the origin of the undertaking. The flowing inventory, which clearly alludes to the